All right, guys, so if you're watching this, you're likely considering selling your home here in Boca Raton or in South Florida. And let's be honest, you're probably watching this thinking this guy is making this video because all he wants to do is list my house and convince me to list with him. And I know that because if I were in your shoes, I'd likely be thinking the same exact thing. Now, if you want me to list your house, give me a call. Let's talk. But let me be 100% clear here. I actually respect that you're taking this on. I'm a realtor, so I obviously understand the position of wanting to sell a house on my own. With that said, I'm a believer that facts help us make informed decisions. So I'm going to share some real numbers with you. In 2025, 2.4 million homes across the country failed to sell. And right now in 2026, the data shows that about 89% of homeowners who start as a for sale by owner eventually decide to list with an agent. Why? It's usually not the marketing. It's usually the technical hurdles. It's the 40 plus pages of Florida disclosures and addendas and riders. And honestly, it's also just kind of a money pit perception that buyers have really when they're seeing that there's no professional gatekeeper involved. Now, you might think that selling solo saves you the commission, and I get it, it makes sense, but the 2026 numbers actually tell a different story. The median for sale by owner right now is selling for around $360,000, while agent-assisted homes are fetching a median of $425,000, a $65,000 difference. The reality is that the gap usually far outweighs any commission savings, and that's based purely on real numbers. So the reason this happens is you're not just paying for a sign in your front yard, you're paying for a technical defense of your equity, and you're placing your home on the wide open market with the broadest buyer reach possible. But again, as I said in the very beginning of this, my goal is not to get you to list with me today. My plan is to be your consultant because statistically speaking, 89% of people selling for sale by owner will need my service in the near future. So here's the deal. I'm just hedging my bets. There's an 89% chance that you may need my services in the near future. So I've put together a 2026 for sale by owner resource kit and I've uploaded it to my Google Drive for you to download for free. If you're in the 11% that closes solo, you have nothing to lose, right? But only a great resource kit to gain. It's actually very valuable information that I could likely sell. However, I'm trusting the numbers and I'm knowing that if I share this enough times, a large percentage of the recipients are going to need my service in the near future. And so sharing this is just me future thinking. So I hope you genuinely appreciate its value. In this for sale by owner resource kit, you're going to find my buyer pre-qualification script, tips on preparing the home for sale, tips on preparing the home for photography, instructions on what a title company does, a title company owner's policy cost breakout list, current loan limits for 2026, what to ask lenders and how to make sure buyers are 100% pre-qualified before they ever set foot in your home, and the most recent market statistics for the city that the property is in. I know, it's a lot, and I'm giving it away completely free. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment to grab that kit. And if you have a question or there's something I can do to help, please just give me a shout. Other than that, I'll let you tell me when you're ready. I'm Adam Gutmann. Good luck with the sale, and I'm here for you when you need me.